Desktop publishing, or DTP for short, is the process of creating professional-looking documents right on a computer. Imagine designing a colorful magazine, a poster, or even a school newsletter, all by combining text and pictures neatly on a page. That's desktop publishing. First, let's think about publishing in general. Publishing means sharing information with people. This can be through books, newspapers, TV, radio, websites, or social media. Desktop publishing is a special kind of publishing that focuses on printed or digital documents created using a computer and special software. So, what's the purpose of desktop publishing software? It's simple. It gives us control over how a page looks. With it, we can choose fonts, move pictures around, adjust spacing, and make sure everything looks balanced and easy to read. Basically, it helps turn plain information into something eye-catching and professional. But once a design is ready, it's not complete until it's printed or published online. Printing turns digital designs into physical copies. Sometimes people only need a few copies, like for a school project. Other times, thousands of copies are printed for magazines or newspapers. Now, there are two main types of desktop publishing software. The first type is layout-based software. This is used to arrange text and images into organized pages. Programs like Adobe InDesign, Microsoft Publisher, or Scribus let you make brochures, flyers, and newsletters where the layout really matters. The second type is graphical-based software. These programs focus more on editing and creating images. Here, we have two categories, bitmap and vector graphics. Bitmap images, like photographs, are made of tiny pixels. They look great, but can get blurry if you stretch them too big. Vector images, on the other hand, are built from shapes and lines. That means they can be resized without losing quality. Perfect for logos or illustrations. So, what kind of things can we actually make with desktop publishing? A lot. Brochures, posters, newsletters, newspapers, magazines, business cards, invitations, and more. Each one has its own style and purpose. For example, a flyer is short and attention-grabbing, while a magazine is longer and full of detailed articles. In short, desktop publishing is all about turning ideas into designs that people can read, share, and enjoy. It's a creative way of combining art and information, making communication not just clear, but also beautiful.